So guys, Bitcoin, quick update, right? Will price of Bitcoin go up? Probably the most asked question that I recently get. And the answer is simple, like maybe. It's not a yes, not a no. What can we see? And basically everybody with a little technical perspective can see this. We are at an all-time high. Back in the days, in the beginning of 2019 and 2018, Bitcoin made a nice bottom. We perfectly retested that bottom in somewhere around March 2020, I guess. So if yeah, March 2020, we perfectly retested that bottom. Of course, most likely not everybody caught that bottom. I remember I placed an order somewhere a little bit under the spike here, and so that order didn't get hit neither. But whatever, it is what it is. But we perfectly retested this bottom, which was crazy. And since then, basically, Bitcoin went parabolic. If we look at it, it'll measure from the 2020 low to the 2020 high. That's a 417% movement, which is crazy. And people still call Bitcoin dead and that only goes down. Well, here we go. In 2020, Bitcoin went up 417%, which is crazy. So, will price go up more? Maybe yes, maybe no. If it goes up more, then this is basically empty space. So, price can do whatever the fuck it wants. My personal targets or my personal beliefs are between 32,000 and 38,000 for Bitcoin. And I know that's pretty high from here. That's like here for 38,000, which would be insane though, but like it's just a personal belief. But with everything that I think, I would already be happy to see Bitcoin at 22,000, 25,000, or 28,000. That always depends. I know 28,000 is still a big range from now. It's still $8,000, a little bit more, $8,650 at this moment, roughly. So I know it's big, but yeah, it's possible, guys. We just need to break this all-time high resistance, and the sky could still be the limit, basically. Now, what I would look out for is still a correction. Again, I will not try to short this market. Like, we can all agree that this is a bull market, right? So I will not try to short it. Neither will I try to top the market. If price goes up to 22k or 25k or 28k or whatever, cool. But as soon as it enters these regions somewhere, I expect a pullback to come. And as you can see here, this is a massive empty space. And I said in my former videos, and as well in the private group and stuff, I still do expect 12k to be seen and to be retested. So this could basically happen from this point. If not from this point, I expect it to happen within these 3 points. So that's basically a thing that I will place, or this is aspect that I will pay attention to. If it comes in play and we hit 12k, I will for sure look to buy more Bitcoin. And of course, if Bitcoin goes down that much, there is a possibility that altcoins get smashed and fully in blood as well. But these are just opportunities that we have to take advantage from. So Bitcoin 12k, that's the thing that I still look out for, and even potentially lower towards a 10k or even an 8,500, which is my lowest maximum lowest target. But these are things that we will see when time comes. I would already be extremely happy with 12k, which would be a perfect opportunity to buy the fucking dip, which most of you probably then won't because you're scared because price is going down. So I'm already telling you right now, as soon as price is going down to these regions again, believe me, you do want to buy in more Bitcoin and potentially other cryptos as well. So that's it. That's basically it, guys. Like, we won't make this video way too long, like 5 minutes is long enough. There's nothing much to say. Maybe quickly go down to the daily then. Like, if we look at this, guys, and we pull our Fib levels, just very simple, like basic Fibonacci knowledge. And we see this, point A, point B, point C. The only thing that's needed for Bitcoin to reach up to a 22K now is the break above this resistance here at 19,924. That's the only thing that's in Bitcoin's way. As soon as this happens, Bitcoin can at least run up to this level here at $22,000, as I said. So guys, it all depends on how we react here. Nobody can say what will happen. You just adapt to price action. But for the newer investors, and that's the last thing I want to say, don't FOMO in at these prices. Like, it's stupid. Just wait for a nice correction, because other nice corrections are more than coming. If you look at Ripple, for example, and here we go, I would look to buy in Ripple back at a 30 cents and even potentially lower. Like, everything under a 35 cents for me for Ripple is extremely cheap. So I would look to buy Ripple in back at a 30 cents, but we'll see from there on. Alright guys, so take care, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.